Knock, knock, knock. What's that sound? It's Harper's house. Let's look around. Toys are out and snacks are near. Come on in, we're glad you're here.
Oh, Arthur, you silly puppy. Hi, friends. I'm Harper. Welcome to my house. Look, I was building the tallest tower ever. But guess what? Silly Arthur ran into it. Now the blocks are everywhere.
Oh my goodness. Look at this big mess.
I had so much fun, but now it's super messy.
What time could it be?
Is it tidy time?
That's right, sweetie.
Aw, I don't want to tidy. I still want to play.
Let's make it a game. Let's sing the cleanup train song.
Yay! Let's go! Come on, friends, sing with us. Let's be the cleanup train.
The cleanup train goes choo-choo-choo, choo-choo-choo, choo-choo-choo. The cleanup train goes choo-choo-choo, all through the house. Pick up toys and hop on board, hop on board, hop on board. Pick up toys and hop on board, we're cleaning up real fast. Clap your hands and stomp your feet, time to tidy, super neat. Put the toys back in their place, let's clean up this awesome space. The cleanup train goes choo-choo-choo, choo-choo-choo, choo-choo-choo. The cleanup train goes choo-choo-choo, all through the house. One by one and two by two, cleaning up is what we do. Clap your hands and give a cheer, a tidy room is almost clear. We wave our hands like magic wands and toys go back where they belong. We sing and dance, we laugh and play, but now it's time to put away. The cleanup train goes choo-choo-choo, choo-choo-choo, choo-choo-choo. The cleanup train goes choo-choo-choo, all through the house.
Wow, look at this place. It's so clean.
We did it fast and it was fun. That song makes cleanup feel like playtime.
I love the cleanup train song.
Thanks for helping, friends. See you next time for more fun and music. Bye-bye.